Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to manage project dashboard. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module the project task dashboard. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users and see here this option for display dashboard. Allow this, let's say you. Now go to project app and now display here dashboard menu. Display here user image with username and greeting message. If you want to apply any filter for this counter, tables and chart, then easily select here manager, customer, project and duration. Counter available: my task, total project, active task, my overdue task, total overdue task and today's task. And you can easily open it and also display here total 11. My overdue task means only login users overdue task, and overdue task in display total all users tasks. Today in only today's take 4. Next is the all task table. Display here task name, project, deadline, priority, its low priority and its high priority. And below display button, you can easily see next or previous record. If you want to see specific task, then easily click on this view button. Next is the chart of task deadline, total overdue, today and upcoming. And you can easily download it. Display here stages wise chart, project wise task. Below display project name and total counting number. Next is the timesheet hours, activity tables and priority wise chart. Low priority in 93 and high in available total 8. Now apply any filter like Anita. So see here Anita for not available any project or task, only available activities. Now select project. That how many create for office design. So see here easily change in counter, tables and charts. And see here duration wise, only 2 days, last 7 days, 28, 90, 365 and lifetime. Lifetime in display past and future. And using this print button you can easily print this dashboard. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.